it gives me immense pleasure to launch the short documentary, The Ambient Sounds of Bamboos, captured perfectly by the lens of my friend Hardeep, which shows the mushrooming of bamboos all over the city of Ludhiana. In the documentary, you can hear the soothing sounds of bamboos, which are so much in harmony with the other sounds of nature, be it the leaves rattling or the wind breeze. And all these sounds of nature and the bamboos, they gel so well with the vibrant colors of nature, which we can hear and see in the documentary. The message of the documentary is to exist together, peaceful coexistence, a perfect balance between the nature and the mankind. Whenever we have tried to disturb this balance, we have suffered, be it the global warming, be it the floods. History depletes with enough examples on this. So the message is that respect nature, preserve nature, enjoy nature, and enjoy this documentary and feel refreshed. I wish Harpreet all the best for all such future endeavors. Thank you.